Hey guys, just to mind you, so if this hook doesn't work very properly, then right now we need to replace this new hook to a Dyson dc07 animal. So set the camera down. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I forgot. I will get my mirror up. So I'm unpacking. We're gonna replace. So this is gonna be. I'm gonna be the yeast best for today. Yeah. For today, I'll be the yeast best. So if you look on Amazon, you need to replace the hose. Okay. Okay. Right. Now you can see me. You can see me? Yeah. So I'll be getting the Dyson dc07 animal, and this is exactly the same because those hoses were broken. Okay, first you need to remove the wand like so. Then we need to remove the U-bend assembly. Then remove the hose. Then slide it off. Okay. There we go. There we go. Then we're gonna grab a brand new. So we've got these brand new replacement hose. Yes. So new. Then you drop the hose right over there. Back in. Then we can replace the U-bend assembly. Like so. Then you need to replace the handle. That's it. Then you need to wind the cords. Like, that's it. There we go. Then put it. Then this goes like so. Remember, you all. So you can get. So thanks for watching this week's video. If you want, wait a second. If you want. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next. We'll see you tomorrow in my videos. Bye.